So this is one of the templates that I created myself. If you take a look in here, and we do have an object that is just rotating continuously here by angle 360. And I think I've actually shown you guys how to rotate an object before. And I'm just doing this just to show you guys what you can actually use, things of that nature. It could just be a little code that I just kind of showed you guys how to build a very small project like that. And then if you can just sit down and then think about it, you can use it to build something great. So if you go to a website where you have an object that is continuously rotating like this, it's just basically a very simple thing to really do. And I've think about it to show you guys how to do this. So, but this template right here is just awesome. So I want you guys to just take a look at that. I'm still working on it. I'm adding some more things in here, but I just want you guys to just take a look at that, and you can really build things of this nature. So I'm doing this to encourage you guys, and it's even responsive to a great level. So if you bring it down this way, see how that is actually looking. All right, see, most of those columns that we had earlier, they now fall under just single column, but the object is still really there and it's rotating, except that we reduce the size a little bit. And you can scroll through the content right here. Still have our buy now button nicely aligned out, and we do have our columns. That's the products that we're kind of arranging right here: web apps, mobile apps, and AI models. We have a desktop apps, and then the rest of that right there. All right. So it's really very responsive. So if you want to build something of this nature, it's really very simple to actually do that. So I just wanted to like show you guys. So every day I keep building. I keep building new stuff that can kind of inspire you guys. So if you're interested in learning things of this nature, should feel free to give me a follow. And I've seen this on YouTube. You can give me a subscription. All right. And I think I will basically see you guys in the next one. And bye bye for now, guys.